Discover what full-service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's daily 3-hour research actionable update.
Hello everyone, welcome back to 3R Actionable Stock Updates. 3R means right sector, right quality and right valuation. In today's podcast, we discuss about Q4 result update of Hindustan Unilever, Bajaj Finserv, Mastek and Carborundum Universal. Let us first look at Hindustan Unilever. The company's Q4 performance was better than street expectation with 16% volume growth and operating margins expansion of 146 basis points. Product portfolio straddling to essentials supported by agile distribution and supply. HUL does not expect the situation to be worse as compared with the first wave of COVID surge. The stock has underperformed the broader indices in the last 1 year and currently trades at a decent valuation of 47 times, which makes it a good pick in large cap FMCG space. Analyst maintains buy on HUL with an unchanged price target of Rs 2,790. Bajaj Finserv. Company reported strong Q4 FY21 results with operational performance above expectation. Insurance subsidiaries like Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance and Bajaj Allianz General Insurance also performed very well. Lending subsidiary Bajaj Finance saw decent Q4 results with most financial indicators normalizing to pre-COVID levels. Analysts find subsidiaries as an attractive business with structural tailwinds in the long term. Our fundamental research desk maintains a buy on Bajaj Finserv with a revised SOTP-based price target of Rs 13,140. Mastek Limited. Company showed strong beat on all fronts led by consistent growth in the UK public sector and strong growth in healthcare business. Order bookings grew by 19% quarter-on-quarter and 44% year-on-year. Mastek is expected to report strong revenue growth over FY21 to FY23 estimates, led by strong growth potential in UK public sector, strong order bookings, healthy deal pipeline, and faster growth in EVOS's business. Net cash is at 14% of its current market capitalization. Analyst retains buy on Mastek with a revised price target of Rs 1,930 given strong growth potential, increasing deal size and inexpensive valuation. Carborundum Universal. Carborundum Universal reported strong beat in PAT at Rs 105 crore up 13.6% year-on-year. It was a strong performance across segment. OPM improved 369 basis points. Overall outlook remains positive as improving overseas operation aided by capacity expansion, success of new products and being an alternative global supplier are likely to aid domestic and export growth. Analyst retains buy on Carborundum Universal with a revised price target of Rs 645 factoring upwardly revised estimates. That's all for the day. It's been a pleasure bringing you the Sharekhan podcast and thank you for listening in as always. For more details, disclosure and disclaimer, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on www.sharekhan.com before investing.
Tune in again tomorrow for a new podcast on Sharekhan's 3-hour research actionable update. Click on the subscribe button and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.